In this video, we will demonstrate how to safely assemble your US Air Filtration cartridge dust collector. Our recommended assembly can be completed in just a few hours with a crew of 2 to 3 people. Prior to installing your unit, be sure a structural engineer has approved the site where the unit will be anchored. This will ensure the anchoring site meets all local, state, and federal regulations. Lower Unit Assembly, Part 1. Position hopper so hopper outlet is facing up. Leave hopper on a pallet to avoid scratching the paint. One by one, take the legs and loosely attach them to the hopper using the hardware provided. Tighten just enough to keep them in place. Do not tighten fully. Assemble the cross braces as follows. Step 1. Loosely attach the 2 long X braces to the legs first. Be sure the long braces are attached to the back side of the hopper, away from the slide gate. Step 2. Loosely attach the 4 mid-sized X braces, 2 braces per side. These braces should be on the side of the unit. Step 3. Loosely attach the single short brace horizontally on the front of the hopper. This brace should be positioned high enough to allow easy access to the hopper slide gate. Once all legs and braces are in place, tighten all bolts down securely. Stand up lower unit using a forklift if necessary. Move lower unit assembly to desired location. Anchor in place using the holes in the leg base plates. Once the lower unit is securely in place, add a continuous line of gasket tape around the inside edge of the hopper. This ensures an airtight seal between the lower and upper units. Upper Unit Assembly, Part 2. The upper cartridge collector assembly comes with 4 movable pick points. These are attached to the top of the unit to ease assembly. Using these 4 pick points, lift the upper unit assembly, keeping the unit level as much as possible. Position the upper unit directly over the lower unit, aligning the lower and upper unit flanges. Using the hardware provided, bolt the upper and lower units together securely. Fan Assembly, Part 3. Begin by removing the top outlet plate from dust collector. Confirm gasket tape is present on the outlet flange. This will ensure an airtight seal between the outlet and fan. Take the fan transition piece and add a continuous line of gasket tape on the round flange. Attach the fan transition to the fan inlet and bolt together securely. Lift the fan and transition assembly using the pick points on the fan. Secure the fan and transition assembly to the dust collector outlet. If you have any further questions, please contact our engineering team by phone at 888-221-0312 or by email at info@usairfiltration.com.